Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Erica guys, and today I'm gonna make some green seasoning with some scallion and ginger guys. So I have too much scallion and I don't want it to stay in my fridge and go bad. So guess what? I'm gonna blend it up and make some green seasoning today with ginger. So watch the process guys. So now I'm washing the scallion guys to make sure I get rid of anything on it that is not supposed to be on it. I'm washing the scallion, already clean, you know I'm washing it. So now that I wash it guys, I cut it up. So now I'm gonna put it in my bullet cup. I'm gonna use my bullet to blend it guys. So guys, if you have scallion and you want to preserve it, you don't want to waste it, you can use it, just cut it up and clean it up, cut it up and put it in your blender or your bullet and blend it out with some ginger or whatever other seasoning you want to put in it, and then put it in a container and put it in your fridge guys, so you can have it to cook your meal. So there you go guys, it's in the blender with some oil. I'm blending it. Gonna use some oil to blend it with the ginger guys. So there you go guys, I'm getting ready to blend. Now I'm gonna blend it in my bullet. Please subscribe guys, subscribe, comment. I would really appreciate your support. Subscribe and leave a like. So there you go guys, it's all blending out. There you go guys, there's the final product all blend out. So guys, now I'm going to put it in a plastic container. I love to recycle, so I have a Maggi plastic container that I'm going to put all of this in. So there you go guys, there's the Maggi container. I take off the outer part, I wash my container. Now there's the final product all blend together and ready to use. You could use it in your meat, your chicken, your fish, whatever you are cooking, you can put this in it, even soup. So thank you so much guys for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment, and put your notification bell on, so the next time I upload a video you will receive it guys. So I thank you so much for your support, and may God continue to bless.